Hello YouTube, good morning, afternoon. In this install or this video, we're going to be doing an install of microlocs braid extensions, and we're using purple hair. Fun times. So I just wanted to show you the hair I'm featuring. So I used the QVR hair. We got 16-inch purple. I'm going to take it out. Woo, look at that. Really purple. It came out really pretty on her hair actually, and if she keeps it up and like it locks and stuff, I think it's gonna be so pretty. A cute, like I just said, QVR queen version hair. Okay. And the one thing I noticed about this hair is when I rinsed it to prep it, some of the color ran off. It wasn't an excessive amount, but it was more or less the amount that I expected for hair that is just vibrantly colored. But then after that, it was good. We got the install done in about 2 days, and it went well. So if you want to see how that hair turned out and how that install turned out, please keep watching. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Hello all. So I'm finally getting this video out. I've tried to edit this video more than once and I was having technical difficulties, but here I am finally getting it done. This is pretty straightforward. It is a Braid Loc extensions install using QVR hair, as I said in the first clip of this video. 16 inches, and we went purple. Vibrant color, beautiful color. She plans on maintaining them herself because she lives a good ways far away from me. So I'm gonna try to do an update on her hair and how it's doing. Hopefully she'll send me some pictures and or video, and I'll be able to share that with you guys going forward. But just to give you a quick little run through of what this install entailed, she had all her sides shaved, so we just really worked into the middle of her head. I feed the hair in like I'm doing knotless. I do 2 to 3 pieces of hair, and if I needed to add one at the bottom because it was getting a little short, I would add another one, as I believe I just did with the braid that's on the camera now. I didn't braid to the very end. I left a little bit out for the curl, of course, and we did a 2 full day install, and I interlocked the roots after I finished braiding. Other than that, that is the basics on this install. I have a couple of Braid Loc extension installs on my page, so if you need a little more in depth, you can definitely click on those. If you have any specific questions about this install, please leave them below. I'm going to work through the comments the next couple of days and answer a lot of you guys' questions and comments and concerns. Other than that, straightforward, done in 2 days, turned out beautiful color wise, and yeah, so if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me below. All right, bye bye.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel it calling midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know. Can we trust the stars about to let us know? I'd go, but we're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know. Can we trust the stars about to let us know? I'd go, but we're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your